In the latest plot of Soul Land, Tang San to cut his arm and take the bone in order to express his determination to save Xiao Wu to Daming Erming. It is worth mentioning that in the original book, Xiao Wu's spirit benays an animation that is installed on Tang San's right arm. It was after a little change that desperate bone was mounted on the left arm, so it was also Tang San's left arm in order to save the Titan giant ape and the Azure Bull Python Xiao Wu. The last trace of spirit power was relised after the spirit power was exhausted. Wu's black hair instantly turned into white hair. The picture looked very miserable. Titan giant ape and the Azure Bull Python were both 100,000-year-old soul beasts. The two soul beasts had invaded their bodies with the toxin of the Death Spider Emperor. In desperation, Thetwo spirit beasts decided to sacrifice at the same time. Only in this way can we help Tang San break through and revive Xiao Wu as soon as possible. In Thind, his broken arm, Tang San grew a 100,000-year-old Vajra Arm. Sky Hammer obtained the first red spirit ring as the sacrifice of the two emperor spirit beasts in the Stardew Forest, the Titan giant ape and the Azure Bull Python. The scene was very heroic. After the release of the huge power, the whole forest was shaking. All the spirit beasts knew them. Tang San, who had already sacrificed, could only perfectly absorb the spirit rings and spirit bones produced by the sacrifice of two spirit beasts. Only in this way could he live up to their good intentions. It will not be easy to absorb 200,000-year spirit rings in one go. As a normal human, there is only one result, and that is to explode and die, but Tang San is different. After passing the Sea God's 7th test, Tang San's body has become the Sea God's divine body, so he can perfectly absorb such powerful energy by relying on two spirit beasts. Sacrifice. Tang San's level was raised 5 ranks in one go and immediately became titled Soul. In addition, Tang San also obtained 200,000-year spirit rings. The first spirit ring was naturally attached to the Blue Silver Emperor because his spirit the power has been upgraded to level 90. The Blue Silver Emperor can just attach a spirit ring. The second spirit ring can only be attached to the Clear Sky Hammer. Therefore, the first spirit ring of the Clear Sky Hammer is also a 100,000-year spirit ring. In addition to the two 100,000-year spirit rings, Tang San also obtained two 100,000-year spirit bones. These two spirit bones were also very powerful. They were both arm spirit bones, and the giant ape provided a left arm bone. The spirit bone can just replace the spirit bone that Tang San stripped before. With the blessing of the Titan giant ape's left arm bone, Tang San not only obtained the gravity skill but also repaired the previous broken arm. After absorbing the spirit bone, Tang San's broken arm also recovered. Now this is a 100,000-year-old diamond arm. It can use the spirit bone's control of gravity to instantly compress the air into terrifying energy. So it seems that Tang San is the biggest beneficiary. With two 100,000-year spirit rings and two 100,000-year spirit bones,